Music. Streamline your SAP updates with BasisTechnologies. Links are in the description. BasisTechnologies is a powerful DevOps and automation platform built for enterprise SAP change management. It accelerates delivery, reduces risk, and simplifies complex processes. Key features include real-time impact analysis, automated transport management, and seamless CI/CD integration for fast, secure deployments. Built-in version control, rollback, and audit trails ensure compliance for regulated industries. Eliminate manual errors and accelerate development cycles, whether your SAP systems are on-premise or cloud-based. A standout feature, risk-based testing. Automatically identify and validate changes before deployment, minimizing downtime. Automate SAP transports and remove bottlenecks. Integrate with tools like Jenkins, Git, and ServiceNow, aligning SAP with modern development. Security is paramount, with built-in governance controls ensuring compliance with internal and regulatory policies. BasisTechnologies empowers digital transformation, providing agile SAP updates without disrupting business. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to all stakeholders. Pricing is enterprise-based. Request a demo to explore its capabilities. Modernize your SAP change management, reduce risk, and accelerate innovation with BasisTechnologies. Learn more in the description.